Are you ready for some TF Kings?
Yes.
What are you saying?
I'm gonna get Dad a samurai sword for his birthday.
What is samurai sword?
Huh? So he can chop watermelons.
Watermelons, just like Fruit Ninja?
Yeah. And because I like samurai swords. So it's for you, not Dad? For Dad. You were gonna say both of us. I was gonna say both of us. So, anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. I'm getting the kids' chicken. I am getting California roll. Wow, social.
Social.
We're here. I'm so excited. I thought we were taking a picture.
Wait, I did. I took a picture.
Yeah, I can always pay back Mom.
I don't even know how much.
His speeder looks like a popsicle stick. It does.
It does.
Look, it's Woody and Buzz. We're just walking right now, and we're just looking around the stores and stuff.
From here, it looks like it's nothing, but then
I have a Stitch. I'm getting Stitch. Because I have an Angel at home. Angel is sort of like a pink Stitch and a girl. So now she has a boyfriend. Or a boyfriend.
a boyfriend.
I don't know. I didn't watch any of the movies. Well, I did watch one movie. The first one. I like it. So we're just paying now. And yeah. They have one M.
X and W. Oh my God. There's no G.
Who makes a door opener to break into houses? Okay, so right now I'm getting one of these engraving coins or something. They're like 51 cents. So do we just push this?
Yeah, push it. Push it. And then pull it out. And now roll it.
Okay.
Okay.
Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep
Oh,
going.
yeah.
Help her, Gabby. There you go. There you go. That's it. You got it. That's the one. See, look.
Oh!
That is your 1 cent. Show it.
Oh!
That's
So
your
my
1
1 cent turns...
became that. Like a medallion.
Oh! That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get one for you, Gabby.
Okay. Oh, she's gonna get her sister one.
Okay, Gabby, choose
Hold
yours.
on, Dad, choose yours. Which one you want to do? This music is too loud. We're trying to have a conversation here.
Okay, so 50. Wait, 25. I'm done. 20. Okay, you want mini? Yeah. Okay, so hold this.
Hold that, Gab. What a nice sister.
Thank you. I even got, when I was younger, I got her some Pokemon.
When you were younger, are you old now?
I shared her I gave her some Pokemon
You can remove your mask. We're outside.
When I was younger, I bought Sissy some
Oh, that's
Pokemon
true.
cards.
She did, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought her two.
Okay, now put it there. Yep.
Sissy, this isn't
Hey, are you trying to cheat us? That's a nickel. That's not a quarter.
Okay, I'm sorry. Do I have a quarter? Oh yeah, I do have a quarter.
See?
Here. Thank
She's
you.
dancing.
Oh, help me,
Quarter
please.
first? Oh, you can do it. Just reach
Too
out.
small.
Hold on, Gab.
So they mushed the penny.
First one, yep. Nope, the other side. The other, yeah, no, that's right. But put it closer, see, look.
Point it to how the arrows are.
I know, can't you see it?
This part is closed, so it's
Here,
a quarter,
hold this.
quarter penny.
Hold this.
What?
Here,
So the
come here,
quarter
Gab.
goes in here.
That's one. Another one. Two, and then penny at the end. Okay, now you're gonna push it all the way through.
Okay, do
now
it.
roll
do
it. Roll it, buddy. Roll it. You're rolling. You're rolling. It's gonna expire. It's gonna expire.
What did you get?
Let's see. Let me see. What did you get?
Mini. On the back be like, oh, I can see the you can see the penny at the back.
Alright.
Can we buy something with this? They even have a photo. Wow. Remember that? Oh yeah, I remember this place. We could like make our own minifigures.
Yeah.
I made this like Harry Potter. Why does Mickey and Minnie look so Where's Mom?
Oh, look at this.
Raya!
That's good.
Dad, it's Raya. It's Raya.
Yeah, it is right.
And they have these briquettes.
Okay, come on.
See, briquettes.
Because they have Legos.
I might get something.
You have the police boat.
Where's the friends? $60.
They might have an anime.
What's this?
I don't know that word.
Gabby.
Something hide it somewhere.
Yep. Oh, here's the Ninjago. Guys, look. Doggy. Look, guys, it's a doggy. They have a panda too, Grandma. I like doggy. Okay, let's keep. Wait, how much is the doggy? Oh, it's $7 plus tax. How much is tax?
Maybe you'll end up paying $8.25, something like that.
I might get this.
What does it do, Game Miguel? You can press the button. The one that lights up.
Oh, there's nothing.
Okay,
There's nothing.
next one.
It's like a life-size stuff.
Mm-hmm. How long is this?
This thing was $130.
Wow.
Careful, Gobo. Oh, there's a photo frame right here. Oh, God.
Can opener.
Dad,
Yes.
I could be Baby
I mean, not a
Yoda.
can opener, a bottle
Look,
opener.
Dad, I could be Baby Yoda. Gabby, wait, Dad's recording.
Okay, what is it?
Gabby could be Baby Yoda.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, I'll call it again.
What is that?
Follow me.
No, the child.
You can't, I think it's tape.
Oh. It says try me. Wait a second.
That's for Nordic. It's no, it's a bag. It's a backpack.
It's a backpack? Gabby, step away. Step away. Why? Can I try? Take off your hat.
You got a spectrum.
The bag.
Whoa.
Let me see.
It's done. What about on me? Not her.
Good.
Mom, look. Look.
The child.
Oh, they have a baby Yoda animatronic. Right there.
Okay, let me see, Gab. What does it do? Press it. I think, let me see. Can you press it harder?
Oh, can I try?
You gotta squeeze it harder, see?
Me. You can call me. Let me see. But it says do not pet. Oh, it says do not pet.
You cannot pet it.